Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. Let's talk about Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies with ESM sponsorship definitely क्योंकि ESM Executive Management Company का ही ये college है for GME. So let's talk about the first thing and that comes is about Maritime Training Institute, that is Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies. Guys, I have been there and it's one of the biggest, one of the best maritime college when it comes to infrastructure. A lot of money has been spent there. And if you talk about training, the trainers, the people out there, they are fantabulous. The training is very good. The college is located near Mumbai in Lavla. Great. The only problem जो कि मुझे लगती है and I hope it is getting solved slowly and steadily is that is they have extensive waiting period. Now this what I am saying might get changed because this video is made one time. So watch this video till the end because the solution lies in the end where you can go ahead and college portal and see what the people are saying about this college. Okay, so kitna waiting period hai, you'll get an exact idea over there. 100% in-house placement on executive ship management managed ships upon successful completion of the course. Now let us talk about the overview of the course. Batch size 80 cadets in March, 80 cadets in September. Pre-SEA training of 12 months, fees is 6.7 lakhs. Structural shipboard training of 6 months, that is after college you go for 6 months on board ship on ESM managed ships. Next is, let's talk about eligibility criteria. So if you have done BE Mechanical Engineering recognized by AICTE or you have done your BE Mechanical Engineering approved by UGC deemed university during the entire duration of engineering with a minimum marks of 55% in final year, you must have cleared your BE BTech in 4 years only. Number of ATKTs, arrears, repeats, failed subjects during the entire degree program not more than 6 attempts. That means not more than 6 backlogs in the entire 4 years program. English shall be one of the subjects with minimum marks scored 50% in class 10th or 12th. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Eligibility medical standards, eyesight is the concern, no color blindness, 6/6 in both the eyes is ideal. In other case it can go up to 6/12 in both the eyes. Worst case is 6/9 in one eye and 6/18 in another eye. No color blindness, that is for sure. Next is how to apply. Go guys, simple है, जाओ यार www.samudra.com website पे जाओ, go fill the application form, pay the fees, go ahead, attend the online exam. After that go for your psychometric test, then your interview will be taken online. Once your interview is done, you can go for a medical test from the company appointed doctor. Merit list will be made. If you are selected, go pay the fees, you will get a sponsorship letter. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Now, how good is SIMS? How much is the waiting period? If that is the concern, go to the college portal on Merchant Navy Decoded website. Once you go to the college portal, you will come to this GME out here. Click on the GME over here. Now I have got highly recommended colleges over here, that is Anglo and IMS Goa, and other colleges mein I have got Samudra over here as well. So click on the Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies. So now over here you can find the overview, eligibility criteria, fees, everything over here updated about Samudra Institute of Maritime College, Maritime Studies. And you can also find out the reviews. Now out here with the 9 reviews that I have got 4.1 rating in waiting period. So now you have to see over here. I hope I might be wrong with the extensive waiting period that I am saying over there. So this is where you have to come to the college portal and see what the students who have studied over there they are saying. And on the other hand, if you are a Samudra student, please go ahead and write a review out here and share your feedback because it matters a lot. With this, all I can say, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe Merchant Navy Decoded YouTube channel. If you have got any query, WhatsApp at this number or email at teammerchantnavydecoded@gmail.com. Please don't forget to follow me at Chief Engineer Praneeth on Instagram. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.